Goddamn you. Okay, goddamn you. Today, Cap show YouTube how to make filling for pelmeni or dumpling or pierogi. You Cap have 20, I don't know what name, dough, and 20 more dough is 40 dough. Do re mi. 20 each for, I make 2 recipe today, not for 2. Making for potato and sour cream. No, cottage cheese, not sour cream. After eating with sour cream. Cottage cheese and potato, and or second recipe is meat, ground beef and ground pork, onion, mushroom, and garlic. And 2 recipe and make 20 each. Okay, you kept first thing to boil potatoes, and we'll show you how to make everything. How to cutting, and you kept show you. Okay, today he kept cutting potato, not cutting, peeling. If you are in jail, you don't know how to cutting potato. He kept not know. Use cutter for potato and putting for water boil. Be careful, it's sharp. Yesterday he kept cutting finger. It's okay, but no blood, like paper cut. Okay. Smell good potato. Maybe you need more than 2, maybe 3. Anyway, peel your goddamn potatoes. You can make vodka with potato peeling. Watch movie for Great Escape. It's a good movie. William Holden and what's his name? Not Redford. You kept forget. Okay. Anyway, cut your potato peel. You kept pausing for cutting. Okay, he kept adding 2 more potatoes. Go to garden and picking more. Okay, he kept now show you how to boil potato. Secret recipe. Not secret recipe, is trick for you. Not put potato in one piece. Make smaller piece. This way can boil faster. Not have to waiting for boiling long time. And adding salt. Cut small pieces and make sure not cut your finger off. After adding cottage cheese, cut cooking time in half this way. Okay, look, bad inside. It's good. You kept get second piece. Okay, hold on. Okay, he kept cutting Corona out. away. Bye bye Corona. Okay, now putting for salting and hot water. And putting boiling. And secret recipe, not recipe, tipping number 2. Cover for boil faster, and can putting fork, and this way can check for softy. Okay, he keeps give you more tip. He keeps washing everything right after make everything clean now. Can use again, is clean. He kept always cleaning and beating. Okay, goddamn you. Paul Newman is actor in Great Escape. I forget name. Okay, anyway, your potatoes are boiled and check for mushy, nice and mushy. Okay, drain water. Be careful, it's hot. Okay, get masher. Where is my masher? Bitch. Cannot find mash. Okay, I find masher. Okay. Okay, you can put butter. Already have salting from water boil. Don't have to put in more salt. And mushing your potatoes. You can show you how to make mashed potatoes. Paul Newman, goddamn good actor. Also, he's good acting in movie for name Papillon. Everything go back to what I said before. If you are in prison, you all know how to peel potatoes. And Papillon is prison movie. Okay. Anyway, your mashed potato and butter, and also putting your cottage cheese. You need fork and spoon. Anyway, putting cottage cheese. And one more thing for this recipe, you kept putting marble cheese. This recipe calling for two slicing marble cheese and cutting into very small piece. Good to have cold cheese. Warm cheese is hard to cut. Okay, you kept hit camera with head. It's okay for cutting cheese, tiny piece, and putting in potato and cottage cheese mixing. Okay, and mixing this one together, everything. Okay, very good. Clean up a little bit. Okay, have ready to go. Some people putting for bacon bits. You can put bacon before ready to eating, not before cooking. Some people like to put bacon bits. And for meat recipe, putting garlic. You kept like lots of garlic. You kept putting maybe 3 or 4 clove garlic. Okay. Cut, take out and cut ends. You kept zoom in for you. Okay, you kept cut off end each clove and peel and make sure everything is white. You kept not racist, but this is how you are wanting your garlic, all white. Do not blame ECAPs for what is happening. Okay, Use more white garlic and cut ends and peeling. Forget white, more white. Okay. And this one a little bit brown is okay. It's good to have salt and pepper together in harmony. Okay, we are cutting our garlic into wafer thin pieces like in movie Goodfellas. They are using razor blade. The razor blade, it's hard to say. ECAP not have language for you. YouTube for English not so good. Okay. Wafer thin, and also he kept learning how can also, if you have a cheese grater, you can using cheese grater and putting for your cheese grater on top plastic wrapping and move garlic back and forth on cheese grater and make paste this way. Anyway, put this one into your meat, your beef, your pork, your mushroom, and your onion mixing. Okay, we are finished almost in home stretch. Put a little bit Worcestershire and little bit soya and little bit pepper. And if you are want a little bit hot, little tobasco, a couple drop pink for a little bit hot, and mixing together. You can wash hands before mix. Okay, you can using your hands for mix everything together. It feels good like your mama. Nether regions. God damn you. Okay, have everything now for make dumplings. Okay, he kept putting this one. He kept also washing dishes. So have 4 dishes ready to go. Okay. You can wash hands one more time. Okay. We are getting near nitty gritty time. It's most fun for make dumpling.
Not forget, ring a bell.